With convenient instant packets you can take anywhere, it works. Keto coffee makes the perfect cup at home or on the go. And you can enjoy it hot or cold. To avoid any clumping, it's best to pour 1 to 2 ounces of room temperature water into your cup first. Then add the contents of the It Works Keto coffee packet and mix until it forms a paste. Now add 6 to 8 ounces of hot water and stir again for a steaming cup of delicious coffee. If you prefer iced coffee, pour the packet of It Works Keto coffee into a shaker bottle with 6 to 8 ounces of cold water and a handful of ice, and shake it up for an icy cold craving killer. For another healthy treat that will keep you full for hours, try blending It Works Keto coffee with our Green Splend chocolate, water, and ice for a nutrient-packed mocha frappe. It's a delicious, low-carb-friendly way to power through your day with more energy and focus.